Chickens are smart. Chickens are fast. Chickens know soccer. Wait, what? What do birds know about soccer? Today, we're flying into an exciting topic: soccer teams named after birds. These clubs aren't just famous for their skills on the pitch, but also for the proud bird symbols they carry. From eagles soaring high to canaries singing victory tunes, birds have a strong presence in football. We'll look at 6 iconic teams, each connected to a bird, and explore their famous players, memorable matches, and what makes them unique. Subscribe to Chickens. We are bringing the world to you. Hatched fresh, Crystal Palace FC. The Eagles. First on our list is Crystal Palace FC, often called the Eagles. This Premier League team hails from London, England, and their iconic eagle mascot stands for power and grace. Founded in 1905, the club has had a long and storied history. The eagle became a significant part of their identity in the 1970s, bringing new energy and pride to the team. Fans of Crystal Palace are known for their passionate support, creating an electric atmosphere at Selhurst Park, their home stadium. When it comes to famous players, Wilfried Zaha stands out. The Ivorian winger has been the face of Crystal Palace for years, known for his speed, dribbling, and flair on the ball. He's been key to the club's success and is one of the most recognizable figures in their recent history. One of the club's most memorable matches came in the 2013 Championship playoff final against Watford. Dubbed the richest game in football, this match decided who would earn promotion to the Premier League. Crystal Palace won 1-0 after extra time, with Kevin Phillips scoring the decisive penalty. That victory brought them back to the Premier League and cemented the Eagles' place among England's top clubs. SL Benfica, the Eagles. Next, we soar to Portugal with SL Benfica, another club that proudly carries the eagle as its symbol. Known as the Eagles, Benfica is one of Portugal's biggest and most successful teams. The eagle represents power and victory, which is fitting given their remarkable achievements. Founded in 1904, this Lisbon-based club has a rich history filled with success on both the domestic and international stages. Benfica boasts a long list of legendary players, but one that stands out is Eusebio, widely regarded as one of the greatest footballers of all time. Known as the Black Panther, Eusebio's speed, technique, and goal-scoring ability made him a global superstar in the 1960s. He led Benfica to multiple league titles and European glory, including winning the European Cup, now the Champions League, in 1962. Speaking of big matches, one of Benfica's most famous victories was the 1962 European Cup final against Real Madrid. Benfica stunned the world in a thrilling 5-3 win, with Eusebio scoring twice. This victory marked Benfica's second consecutive European Cup triumph and remains one of the most iconic moments in the club's history. Fenerbahce SK, the Yellow Canaries. Now, let's travel to Turkey, home of Fenerbahce SK, known as the Yellow Canaries. Based in Istanbul, this club is one of the most successful in Turkish football. Their nickname, the Yellow Canaries, reflects the team's vibrant yellow and blue colors. Founded in 1907, Fenerbahce has a rich history of domestic success, boasting multiple league titles and cup victories. Alex de Souza, a Brazilian attacking midfielder who became a club legend, is one of the most famous players to have worn the yellow and blue. Known for his playmaking ability, vision, and leadership, Alex spent 8 years at Fenerbahce, winning 3 Turkish Super League titles and cementing his status as a fan favorite. One of Fenerbahce's most memorable matches was their dramatic 6-0 victory over arch-rivals Galatasaray in 2002. This derby match, known as the Intercontinental Derby, is one of the most heated rivalries in world football. Fenerbahce's crushing win over Galatasaray remains a sweet memory for their fans and is talked about to this day. Norwich City FC, the Canaries. Next up, we have Norwich City FC, famously known as the Canaries. This English football club is based in Norwich, and its nickname comes from the city's historical association with canary breeding. Its bright yellow kits are instantly recognizable, making it a unique presence in English football. Founded in 1902, Norwich City has had a roller coaster history, with periods of success in both the Premier League and lower divisions. Regarding famous players, Grant Holt is a name that Norwich fans will never forget. The striker was instrumental in the club's promotion to the Premier League in 2011 and became a cult hero at Carrow Road. His goal-scoring ability and leadership on the pitch made him a fan favorite, and his legacy lives on among the Canary faithful. Norwich's most memorable victory was their 3-2 win over Manchester City in the Premier League 2019. Against all odds, Norwich stunned the reigning champions with a spirited performance, securing a famous victory that delighted their fans and sent shockwaves through the league. Club America, the Eagles. Flying to Mexico, we find Club America, another team proudly known as the Eagles. Club America is one of the country's most successful and popular football clubs based in Mexico City. Founded in 1916, their eagle mascot represents strength, pride, and dominance on the pitch. With a rich history of winning domestic and international titles, Club America is a powerhouse in Mexican football. One of the club's most famous players is Cuauhtémoc Blanco, a legendary forward known for his creativity and flair. Blanco is considered one of the greatest Mexican footballers of all time, and his time at Club America saw him win multiple titles and earn the admiration of fans worldwide. A memorable moment in Club America's history was their victory in the 2014 Liga MX Apertura final against Tigres. In a heated and intense match, America won 3-0 in the second leg, securing their 12th league title, making them the most successful club in Mexican football history. The Eagles soared high that day, and the victory remains a source of pride for their fans. Istanbulspor, the Blackbirds. Last on our list is Istanbulspor, a club with an interesting bird connection. While their official nickname is the Bulls of the Bosphorus, Boğalar, they are also associated with the Blackbirds due to their emblematic bird symbol. Based in Istanbul, Istanbulspor has a rich history in Turkish football, having been founded in 1926. While they may not have the same level of success as some of the bigger Turkish clubs, they have a loyal fan base and a unique identity in Turkish football. One of the most notable players to have represented Istanbulspor is Uğur Boral, a talented left-winger who also played for Fenerbahce and the Turkish national team. Boral's skill and speed made him a key player at the club and played a vital role in their success during the early 2000s. While Istanbulspor may not have as many famous victories as other clubs on this list, their promotion to the Turkish Super League in 1995 was a significant achievement. It marked their return to top-flight football after years of struggle, and their fans celebrated this moment as a symbol of the club's resilience and determination. There you have it, 6 soccer teams proudly carrying bird symbols in their identity. From the powerful Eagles of Crystal Palace, Benfica, and Club America, to the lively Canaries of Fenerbahce and Norwich City, these clubs have found a way to combine their passion for football with the inspiring spirit of birds. Each team has a rich history, famous players, and unforgettable matches that have left a mark on their fans and the football world. Now it's official. You are a smart chickid. You know how soccer is going to the birds, and that's a good thing. Impress a friend with your knowledge. Educate your parents. Are you a fast chickid? Let's see how fast you can click the like and subscribe buttons. 1, 2, 3, go.